Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question I often get asked: is Monzo a US bank? Now, before I dive into the answer, let's get some context. Monzo is a digital bank that was founded in the UK in 2015. It quickly gained popularity for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. So, back to the question at hand. Is Monzo a US bank? No, Monzo is not a US bank. It is a UK-based bank that is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. However, Monzo has expanded its services to the US market. In 2018, Monzo launched a US-based subsidiary called Monzo US. This subsidiary is regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS. So, what does this mean for US customers? Well, it means that US customers can now open Monzo accounts and use the bank's services. However, there are some key differences between Monzo UK and Monzo US. Here are some of the key differences. Currency: Monzo UK accounts are denominated in British pounds, GBP, while Monzo US accounts are denominated in US dollars, USD. Features: some features, such as overdrafts, are available to Monzo UK customers but not to Monzo US customers. Fees: there are some differences in the fees charged by Monzo UK and Monzo US. So, if you're a US customer, you can still use Monzo, but you'll need to be aware of these differences. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a closer look at Monzo's services and features. What services does Monzo offer? Monzo offers a range of banking services, including current accounts. Monzo offers two types of current accounts, personal and business. Savings accounts. Monzo offers a range of savings accounts, including regular savers, ISAs, and fixed-term savings accounts. Credit cards. Monzo offers a range of credit cards, including cashback credit cards and travel credit cards. Loans. Monzo offers a range of loans, including personal loans and mortgage loans. Investments. Monzo offers a range of investment products, including stocks and shares, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. What are the benefits of using Monzo? There are a number of benefits to using Monzo, including user-friendly interface. The Monzo app is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. Innovative features. Monzo offers a number of innovative features, such as the ability to set spending budgets and track your spending in real time. No overdraft fees. Monzo does not charge any overdraft fees. Low fees. Monzo charges low fees compared to other banks. Good customer service. Monzo has a good reputation for customer service. What are the drawbacks of using Monzo? There are also some drawbacks to using Monzo, including limited availability. Monzo is not available in all countries. Limited features. Some features, such as overdrafts, are not available to all customers. Exchange rates. Monzo may charge higher exchange rates than other banks. So, is Monzo a good bank for you? That depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a user-friendly bank with innovative features and low fees, then Monzo could be a good option. However, if you need access to a wider range of features or you're concerned about exchange rates, then Monzo may not be the right choice for you. Overall, Monzo is a great option for many people, but it's important to do your research and weigh up the pros and cons before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.